Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Apple Vision Pro not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So obviously there's going to be a lot of errors that you might have encountered in using the Apple Vision Pro here. So in this case, we'll be discussing some of the fixes and those issues that you might be encountering. So one of them is battery drainage. The Apple Vision Pro faces a significant battery drainage issue affecting users' overall usage and charging experience. This problem disrupts convenience and productivity, compelling users to frequently recharge the headset, disrupting their seamless experience, and the intensive processing power required for advanced features may contribute to this issue. To mitigate, users can optimize settings such as reducing screen brightness and disabling background apps. Additionally, the proprietary MagSafe charging connection with the USB-C port on the battery pack poses inconvenience during battery switches. Now, another issue that you might have encountered is the finger tracking issue. So users have reported inconsistencies with finger tracking technology, impacting gesture recognition and interaction with virtual objects. Concerns including inaccuracies in finger tracking, restricted range of motion, and delays in responsiveness. Users anticipate software updates to improve the accuracy of overall performance, meaning you just need to update your software or your Vision Pro here to probably fix this issue. Now, in this case, one of the issues that you might encounter is connectivity issues. Connectivity problems such as Bluetooth disconnections and pairing difficulties hinder the seamless operation of Apple Vision Pro. Troubleshooting steps include updating firmware, resetting network settings, and ensuring proximity between the devices. Now, another issue you might have encountered is the eye tracking malfunction. Now, eye tracking malfunctions affect various functions, including interface navigation and object focusing. Accessibility settings may cause unusual finger mapping, so requiring a reset to resolve. Now, another issue that you might have encountered is glare issues. Now, significant glare issues attributed to internal light reflection affecting viewer experience, especially in low light environments. Adjusting environment brightness or consulting Apple support for potential solution is actually advised. Now, another issue is software glitches. Now, frequent software glitches disrupt performance, leading to crashes and unresponsive controls. So, users should stay updated with the software updates and perform troubleshooting steps to maintain optimal performance. And lastly, poor audio quality and privacy. So poor audio quality and privacy concerns arise due to the audio leakage outside the headset. Users may consider using AirPods Pro 2nd generation with USB-C charging case for improved audio quality and privacy. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.